Good morning, students. Most welcome VVC online classes. Okay, so computer application for class 9. Today, chapter number 4, value and data type. In previous chapter, already explained class and objects. So here, value and data type. So containing chapter, what we will discuss: Java character set, Java token. This is the most important keywords, identifier, literals, operators, punctuator and separator. Third, concept of data type, primitive data types, variable, and last, constants. So one by one we will discuss. Number 1, character set. So just like a name already defined, character means ABCD. Okay, so character set is a valid character. Okay, so that a language can be recognized. So with the help of character, recognize the language like letter, digit, and any other symbols. So Java especially use the Unicode character set like sky value. Okay, so 128 characters, okay, in Unicodes. And note important points: Java is a case sensitive language. It means uppercase later and lowercase later are always the different. Just like you write the hello in capital letter and hello again in small letter, so both are different. Okay, why? Because Java is a case sensitive language. Third point, Java token. This is most important. So what is the token? Token means the smallest individual unit in a program is called tokens. So Java support 5 type of token. Okay, so again I am repeating, what is the token? Token is the smallest individual unit, okay, in a program. And here 5 type of tokens. Number 1, keywords. Second, identifier. Third, literals. Fourth, operator. And fifth, punctuator and separator. So separately I am discussing. Number 1, keywords. What is the keyword? The reserved word of Java. Okay, the reserved word. So keyword is a reserved word. Already in computer understood what is the meaning of this. Okay, which have the special meaning for them. So Java has 48 keywords. Okay, like this: abstracts, boolean, break, class, case, switch. So what you write in Java, just like a system.out.println. So println like this, new, like this. So if like this, so these are keywords. It means simple definition of keyword: the reserved word of Java. Okay. Second, identifier. So identifier, just like a name already defined. What is the meaning of identifier? Identifier, the name of variable. Identifier is a name of variables, class, objects, functions, array, etc. So identifier, just like your admit card. So this is identify you. So as it is, identifier is a name of variable, class, object, function that are given by the programmer, means you. Okay, so condition, the rules of identifier. Number 1, identifier can have the alphabet, digit, and underscore. So identifier always started with the alphabet, digit, and underscore. So second point, identifier must not be a keywords or boolean literal. So identifier not support the keywords. Java is a case sensitive. Upper and lower case both are different. And last point, space and other special character are not allowed. Where? In identifier. Dollar, like the dollar sign, has, these are not allowed. Okay, literal. What is the literal? Literal are data items that are the fixed data value. So fixed data value of number of item is called the literal. So many types of literal. So one by one we will discuss here. Number 1, integer literal, floating points, character, string, and boolean. So these are literal. Number 1, literal, integer. So integer literals. So integer literal are the number that has no fractional part. It means that not have the point. Okay, these are the three types of integer literal. Number one, decimal, base 10, 0 to 9, like example 101. Second, octal, base of 8, digit from 0 to 7. Hexadecimal, base of 16, okay, digit 0 to 9, after then A B C D up to F. Like in 8th class already you know meaning of number system. So here these are three type of integer literal: decimal, octal and hexadecimal. Not have the fractional value. After then floating points, just like a name already defined the floating points. So floating literals are also called a real constant. The floating points, it means the fractional value also include, like x is equal to 2.7. So 2.7 is a fractional parts. Okay, character literal. So character literal are the specify as a single character. So character literal always specify the single character including a single quotes and mark. Okay, like example A in single quotes. So here example A is a in single quotes. String literal. So string literal are written by the enclosing a set of characters. It means many characters as far as in double quotes. So example string str is equal to good morning. Good morning is there so many character here. Upside only the one character in example upside. But here so many character and written in double quotes, and upside character literal in single quotes. There is a major difference. Okay. After then boolean literal. So boolean literal always give the result in true and false form. Operator, this is the most important. Operator are the special symbol. Okay, operator are the special symbols that perform a specific operation according to user. So operator types. So here I am telling the operator types and operator, which arithmetical operator. So just like a name already defined the arithmetical operator, plus, minus, subtraction, division, like this. Bitwise operator. So here less than, greater than. Okay, increase the inside and transfer the value. Okay, and relational operator. So here the relation between the two operand. Okay, logical operator and or like this, and assignment operator, it means is equal to signs. So this is operator. Operator is special the symbol. Operator is a special symbol. And operand are the variable which act as an identifier for resulting value, like c is equal to a plus b. So here c b a. Okay, c b c a, like a b, sorry by mistake here written. Okay, a b c are the operator, and plus and is equal to sign are operand. So a b c here the operand, and plus and is equal to sign are operator. Separator. Yes, separator also the symbols that used to separate a group of code. It means separate means you want to give the limit. Okay, you want to separate 2 points. So here there are 9 type of separator. So like number 1, parenthesis, these are 2 separator here. Braces, 2 separator here, opening and closing. Okay, bracket, opening and closing, 2 separator, total 6. And periods, points and semicolon, colon. Okay, these are 2. So total number of 9, because upside 2, second one 2, third is 2, and fourth 1, and last 2. So total number of 9 separator. After then data types. So data types are used to identify the types of data a memory located can be hold. So data type is like a type of data, just like a you purchase number anything. So like kilometer, meter. So this is a data unit. So as it is, I am discussing here the data type. So data type is specially used to identify the type of memory in a computer, which type of data you write. So here are the 2 types of data. Number 1, primitive data types, and second one non-primitive. So number one, I'm telling to you primitive data types. So a primitive data types is a predefined by the programming language. It means already computer understood what is the meaning of these data types. Okay, so Java provide 8 type of primitive data type like boolean, char, void, short, int, long, float and double. So total number of 8 data types. Okay, so this is a system defined. Second, non-primitive data types. So these data types are not actual defined by the programming language but created by the programmer. So this is a user defined, this is defined by programmer. Okay, so they are also called a reference data type. So second name of non-primitive is a reference data types. So object reference also you can say. So non-primitive data type include like class, interface and array. Okay, and string also. So this is not a system defined, this is a programmer defined. Okay, so two data types. Data type is a memory location that is hold the data, and two data types, primitive and non-primitive. Primitive data types, these are 8 data types and system defined. Non-primitive, this is a programmer defined and like class, array, interface. Okay, data type. So here clearly we can see two data types, primitive and non-primitive. Again, primitive data type, two data types, numeric and non-numeric. Non-numeric and numeric means like 1 to 3 and fractional part also. Non-numeric means like character types. Okay, so integer data type, there are 4 data type, wide, short, int, long, and floating data types, float and double. And non-primitive, non-numerics, it means character and boolean. And non-primitive data type here, class, array, interface, object and strings. Okay, primitive data types. So here here we will see the limit and range of primitive data type. Like number one, white means 1 white, range minus to the power of 7 to the power 7 minus 1, 128 to 127. Short, 2 white, limit minus 32768 to 32767. Int, 4 white. Okay, minus 31 to 2 to the power of 31 minus of 1. Long, 8 white. So minus 2, 6 to the power of 63 and 2 to the power of 63 minus of 1. Float, 4 white. Okay, this is also floating point also, as it is double, 8 white, char, 2 whites, 0 to 65 535. And boolean, no. So boolean always give the boolean not have the range. Boolean always give the right answer true and false, in the form of true and false. Variable. So variable is a name of memory location that is store a data value of a particular data types. So simply variable is a name of location. Okay, and here store the data. So data syntax, data types and variable name. So data type int and variable name a. Initialize of variable, initialize means defined. So initialize of variable, it means giving the value to the variable. So like int is a data type, val means variable name is equal to 100. So 100 value where is gone? In val. Okay. Constant. So constant is a fixed value which does not change. Constant is a fixed value. This does not change during the execution of the program. There are the two types of constant. Number one, numeric constant and character constant. I am not defined here. Why? Because here not a requirement. Here the definition only constant. Final keywords. So final means just like a name already defines, we cannot change the value. It means the final value. So here example like final int age is equal to 32. So age 32 included in age. So this is a fix. Okay, this does not change in case you use in programming. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.